for a picnic. I've got my basket chock full of goodies and my cups and saucers and plates laid out on the beautiful green lawns. What's that noise? Oh, what a hey, what a my, what a bird it is. Rare as the rarest that ever occurred it is. Said to be known to be roaming around, for it scatters ball bearings all over the ground. The ball-bearing bird has never been seen, never been heard. It is said to be known to be roaming around, for it scatters ball bearings all over the ground. Just like the rooster that crows in the morn, it is thought to explode like a shotgun at dawn. Said to be best to be out of the way when it's loaded with shot and it's ready to spray. Nobody knows if it's able to fly. It's probably too bloomin' lazy to try. It is known to be prone to lay 50-pound eggs, which is probably why it's weak in the legs. Ball-bearing bird, the ball-bearing bird, has never been seen, never been heard. Said to be known to be roaming around, for it scatters ball bearings all over the ground. Forthright and outright like all of its kind. It's forthright in front, it is outright behind. Thought to be taught to be fearless and just, and they say that it's frightened of nothing but rust. Partial to peanuts and paraffin oil, fond of a drink and according to Hoyle, dandy on brandy but hopeless on rum, loses its bearings and falls on its tum. The ball-bearing bird, it's never been seen, it's never been heard, said to be known to be roaming around, for it scatters ball bearings all over the ground. When it's asleep and it's holding the ground, it's too flaming lethal to wander around. Highly explosive and easily stirred, so be sure you don't step on a ball-bearing bird. Oh, what a hey, what a my, what a bird it is. Rare as the rarest that ever occurred it is. Said to be known to be roaming around, for it scatters ball bearings all over the ground. I think I might mosey into town and chip me a few statues. Just a little bit of ball-bearing